Try that again.
What's up, YouTube? We're gonna get right to it. We're about to start this haircut by combing all the hair in place, inspecting the scalp. We're gonna get this canvas ready for a real dope haircut. I'm producing y'all. I did a Dallas Shag on my client. I've been knowing them since high school and everything, and we about to get this thing going. Now I'm proceeding to picking out the fro in the back. I did this haircut before. He went from a mohawk to an actual shag. This was my second time cutting his hair. I done had this in the archives for about 2 months now. So first thing we're gonna do is put on the 2 guard clothes, and we're gonna proceed to cutting the hair down to the desired length. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Babless Tune 45 trimmers. I'm gonna set my bald line. I'm not pressing in hard on the bald line, and I'm going against the grain. I'm being careful with not taking the trimmers to that line to set a too hard of a line to where I have a difficult time later on taking it out. I'm combing everything back in place. I'm going ahead and clearing out the frame of the beard as well. And I'm keeping just everything consistent. You know what I'm saying? Making sure I have this a clean canvas before I go into my next step. All right, the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go with our clipper, our T-pop clippers all the way open. We're gonna go ahead and set our second guideline. We're going up get about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. One thing I learned about the Dallas Shag is you can really play with this how you want to. I could just stretch it some more. And next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go halfway. I'm gonna go in between where I set that guideline at to the first guideline. Go ahead and give me a transition. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close it all the way. I'm gonna use the corner of the blade. I'm gonna flick out that bottom line. And as y'all see, how I didn't put that guideline in hard with them trimmers, that I was able to take that guideline out with the clipper. And then later on in the video, I'm gonna go back behind it and I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking that line out. I'm just keeping everything consistent. I'm just making sure I'm going the direction of the hair that is going, and I'm just doing everything that needs to be done. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in my 1 guard close. I'm gonna stretch this guideline up another 1/2 inch. All right, I gotta leave me some room for with that part right there. The client really liked that part on the side of his shag. Then I'm gonna go in again with that 1 guard, the same 1 guard I got. I'm gonna go halfway, and I'm gonna go all the way open and create me a transition. I'm trying to stay away from that 2 guard, because remember, I've used that 2 close to take the hair down to the desired length. So me going in with that 1 guard open is gonna give me a good transition between that 2 and between that 1. And all I'm gonna do is I'm just cleaning it up a little bit, get some of them dark spots out. It's already starting to come out. It's already starting to look good. Excuse my camera, man. I forget to put on manual focus. I put on autofocus, so there's a lot of blurriness going on. Man, I'm just getting back into this. Now I'm going in with my 0 guard close, and I'm proceeding into taking that bottom line out where I put in that 1. Because remember, whatever you put in is whatever you got to take out. So by the fact that I did a 1 guard close, I know that a 0 guard close is going to get that 1 guard close all the way out. And I'm just making sure I'm just flicking in, staying consistent, keeping everything. Now I'm opening up that 0 all the way up, and I'm going in and I'm going to be tapping where that 1 is.
Took a pill last night, got lifted. Had some drink in my cup, I was sipping on. And I gotta let the lonely tell me if that's so wrong.
All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that zero guard all the way out. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna flick where that zero guard was. I'm just doing me a little detail work on this side, opening and closing, clean this fade up a little bit, and get him in the game on this left side. And then we're gonna move on into the right side. And after that, and then that's all we're doing. I'm just keeping everything straight. I'm flicking out that 2 guard, got that 1.5 up there where that 2 was, and I'm just flicking everything out and getting everything to its desired length. So yeah, so the same steps I did on the other side, I'm gonna do on this side. I just want y'all to know, man, this has been a very, very great year. 2026 has been a very, very good year for me. You know what I'm saying? Back in November, I was able to acquire a salon suite. So I'm officially in the salon suite now. I've been in the salon suite since November. My clientele has been picking up very, very strong, man. I'm glad that I'm in the city that I'm in. You know, moving my barber career to Fayetteville, Georgia has really been a blessing. I've been getting a lot of support here in Fayetteville. You know, my days have been definitely booked, man. I've definitely been busy. I've definitely been gone for a while, and I appreciate everybody for sticking with me, keeping that didn't unsubscribe from me. I know I gotta get back in this algorithm. I know I gotta get this camera thing back in order, but bear with me, man. I'll be back to making y'all great content. But the word that I'm trying to give everybody is just keep going. You know, everything ain't gonna go well. Everything ain't gonna go smooth. Everything is not always gonna go your way. But if you just keep going, stay consistent, you know, things that you want to do, you'll be able to put in fruition and be able to do anything that you want to do. So that's what I'm doing. I'm back on YouTube. I got to get back in this algorithm. So if y'all please like, share, and subscribe. Support the movement, man. That'd be great. And, you know, in losing things in life, you know, I just been through a lot, but I'm staying true. I'm staying true to what I'm doing. Just staying consistent. I'm officially a barber instructor now, so I had a lot going on since I left YouTube. So my days in the salon suite is really on Saturdays and Sundays, and those are my days that I can actually do the passion, do the thing that I love, which is cutting hair. And my Monday through Fridays is all about teaching the next generation of barbers. I am a classroom educator, so I'm not no YouTube educator, so I'm about to bring that classroom effect back to YouTube to give y'all everything y'all need to do. You know what I'm saying? All the information I have to help any barbers that can't go to school that's on YouTube, they will do what they got to do to help them out. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to pick the fro back in the back of the shag. I'm gonna get everything in place so I can freehand this shag and give it the shape that I'm looking for. Now, he doesn't want the bulge out shag at the top. He likes the bulge out shag towards the bottom of the shag. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Gamma Instincts, I'm gonna close that blade. And the reason why I'm using these Gamma Instincts is because it kind of a flat blade, and I just like the way it just trims hair. So I'm just gonna go in, and I'm just in the process of shaping the shag, getting the shag the way I want it, and I'm gonna round it down all the way in the back. Shout out to Get Bean, man. Shout out to Germ Boomin. Get Bean put Germ Booming out to the internet, man. So shout out to them. Shout out to Get Bean for putting everybody onto this dope producer. I buy his beats as well. I haven't personally contacted and talked to Germ Booming. Whatever he has on there, you know, I invest in him. So shout out to him, man, the producer that created this dope beat, man. It's dope, man. I like the vibes that it got going on. So shout out to them. So now I'm just going in. I'm just cleaning up the beard a little bit. I got my 1.5 halfway open. I'm just cleaning the beard out and getting this haircut all the way together.
slipping